Today we're going to start our PowerPoint presentations for our natural disaster research. The first thing you need to do is log into the computer. Your cards can be found at the front of the room. Please make sure that you use the second line as your username, the third line as your password. So again, the second line that has the uppercase letters is your username, and then the third line with the lowercase letters is your password. You don't need to type in your name or the 03 anywhere because the 03 just stands for third grade. Once you are logged into the computer, you're going to then go to this PC, double click to open, and you'll see drives. We want the K drive, student shared K. So double click, and then media third, double click, and we're going to open up this natural disaster PowerPoint. So we double click that. A message might pop up on your computer saying that this is already open by a user. You just click open, and then as soon as you get to this screen, before you start typing, go to File, Save As. Find the folder that has your name. So here's an example of one. You see the first 4 letters of your last name and then 4 numbers. Click that folder and then click Save, and it's going to save it in your file. Then you may start typing. So right here, click next to it, floods, name. Then I can go on to the next slide, the causes. All I have to do is click to type, and then when I finish my line, I just hit enter to go to the next line. I also have the effects, where my natural disaster happens, and 2 interesting facts. When I'm finished typing everything, then I can go to design and add colors. I can also go to insert, online pictures, search my pictures, and add them into my presentation as well. When I find one that I like, all I have to do is click on that picture and it'll add it into the presentation. So I can click it, hit insert, and then I can use these circles just to make it smaller or bigger. I can move it around. And then if I ever make a mistake, all I have to do is hit this little button right here and it'll undo it. And then once I'm finished, I just click right here to save, or I can go to File, Save, and then my presentation is saved. Good luck, and remember, if you have any questions, raise your hand.